Namaste India, it's the 2nd of June 2025. Welcome to your daily Cosmic Espresso with AI Baba trademark. The universe is buzzing, the stars are gossiping, and AI Baba's ready to spill the tea. Let's go! On this day in 1953, Queen Elizabeth II was officially crowned. Meanwhile, in 2025, AI Baba is crowning you the ruler of your own fate. So sit straight, take a deep breath, and get ready to rule your day like a celestial boss. Planets be like, let's shake things up. Mercury's chatting with Venus, and Mars is flexing near Jupiter. What does it mean for you? Top 3 lucky Rashis today. Leo, charisma overload. People can't stop noticing you. Don't waste it scrolling. Capricorn, your inner CEO is rising. Time to act on that plan. Taurus, financial clarity is kicking in. You'll smell money like a Deezy auntie smells ghee. 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 equals 17, and 1 plus 7 equals 8. And 8 is ruled by Shani Dev, the slow but steady taskmaster. Vibe of the day karma mode. Don't rush, be real, stay grounded, make your actions count. Today, India is feeling moody. North Delhi, Chandigarh, hot drama. 43 degrees Celsius types. Avoid metal chairs. South Bengaluru, Kochi, cool and wet. Romance weather. Carry that umbrella, Casanova. East Kolkata, humid AF. Mango mood with mosquito beats. West Mumbai, Surat, pre-monsoon flex incoming. Skies trying to flirt with thunder. J&K and northeast misty mornings, rebel clouds. Pure Instagram reel material. Today's only good Mahurat starts at 2:30 p.m. IST, so if you're watching this before 1:30 p.m., you're in luck. Perfect for starting new biz, filing legal docs, marriage talks, no pressure. If today's your birthday, you're a mix of dreamer, doer, and low-key control freak. Today's prediction: an opportunity will knock, but it may wear a disguise. Don't judge by looks, swipe right with wisdom. Write down 3 goals for June. Don't overcommit to flaky people, you're not an emotional buffet. Detox your DMs. Block toxic energies like a pro. Don't compare your chapter 2 with someone's chapter 22. Be careful of emotional traps. That you up message? Delete it. Color indigo, wear it, vibe it, attract calm like a monk with Wi-Fi. Mantra: I act with purpose, I flow with grace. Repeat 3 times, no fast forward. That's your cosmic download for 2nd June. Like, share, and tag someone who needs to hear this. AI Baba trademark will be back tomorrow. Same aura, new alignment. Till then, remember, the stars guide you, but you drive the chariot. Jai Jagat.